Sam. Good morning, Miss Sam Jolly. How are you? Good morning, Raylan Green. How are you? Good morning, Damien Williams. Good morning, Damien Williams. Good morning, Damien Williams. How are you? Good morning, Dakota Skelton. How are you? Good morning, Kaylee Pickett. How are you? Good morning, Kay Maridjo. Good morning, Kay Maridjo. Good morning, Kay Maridjo. How are you? Good morning, Tariah Harris. How are you? Good morning, Symphony Hines. How are you? Good morning, Ryan Reynolds. Good morning, Ryan Reynolds. Good morning, Ryan Reynolds. How are you? Good morning, Cassie Willingham. How are you? Good morning, Kalani Wine. How are you? Good morning, Bristol Room. Good morning, Bristol Room. Good morning, Bristol Room. How are you? Good job. Did you guys have a good night last night? Yeah. Right. Are you guys happy to be at school today? Yeah. Okay. Who can tell me what is our new color for this week? Brown. That's right. The color brown. This is our new color for the week. You did say brown. Me too. And on the back, what do we have? A brown crayon, a brown bear, brown leaves, and a brown football. Football. All right, listen. What color is the bird? Blue. Good job. Excuse me. Let's pay attention. Let's listen. What color is the crayon? What color is this crayon? Orange. What color is the crayon? Red. Let me hear you sing the red song. I can spell red. I can spell red. Raindrops are red. Stops are red too. R-E-D. R-E-D. Okay, when I call your name, you are going to tell me what number I'm showing. Only if I call your name. Damon, what number is this? 0. That's right. This is the number 0. Show me 0. Hold up 0. Good job. 0. Kaylee, what number is this? 1. This is the number 1. Show me 1. Hold up 1. 1. The number 1. Cassie, what number is this? 3. That's right. This is the number 3. Hold up 3. We only should be holding up 3. We're not talking about 3. We're holding up 3. 3. Good job. And Tariah, can you tell me what number this is? 2. That's right. Show me 2. This is the number 2. We only should be holding up 2. All right. Y'all ready to count to 20? All right. Let's count to 20. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. You guys made it all the way to 20. All the way to 20. Yeah, but I don't need help with my hats. Thank you, Miss Gibbs. Okay, can you guys tell me the shape the week. What shape is this? This is a diamond. A diamond. Can you tell me the other name for the diamond? A rhombus. That's right. A rhombus is the mathematical name. Good job. Riley, how many sides are on the diamond? 4. That's right. The diamond has 4 sides. Good job. Good job. Dakota, can you tell me what shape this is? This is a rectangle. Good job. This is a rectangle. A rectangle. Cassie, can you tell me how many sides are on the rectangle? 4. That's right, 4. The rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. 4 sides. Just like the diamond. All right, Raylan, can you tell me what shape this is? Katie, please sit up in your chair.
A triangle.
That's right. This is a triangle. Let me see. London, how many sides are on the triangle? 3. That's right. 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides are on the triangle. Masim, what shape is this? That's right. This is a circle. This is a circle. A circle. Let me see. Kaylee, how many sides do a circle have? No sides. That's right. No sides. 0. No sides. That's right. Just like that. That's right. And this is our last shape. This is our last shape. Ryan, can you tell me what shape this is? That's right. This is a square. A square. Taraya, how many sides are on a square? Let's see if our friend Cassie can help us. Cassie, how many sides are on a square? 4. That's right. That's right. 4. 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. That's right. And now we're going to read our story called Jasper's New Bed. We are listening. We are listening. We are listening. Jasper's New Bed. It says, as we listen, because I am reading, when Jasper was a puppy, his bed was a perfect fit. Round and red and cozy. The perfect place to sleep or sit. But now that Jasper has grown up, he needs a bigger bed. One that will fit all of him from his tail to his head. Green beds, blue beds, yellow beds, and more. So many beds to choose from at the pet store. Round beds, square beds, rectangular beds too. With so many choices, what will Jasper do?
Lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
Well, let's see what he's going to do. Jasper makes a game of it and sorts the beds by shape. He is hoping that his plan will help him know which one to take.
The big one. The blue one.
Then
The big one.
Jasper has a new idea and gives each color its own pal.
The blue
But
one.
all this work has made him tired, so he decides to nap for a while. When Jasper wakes from his nap, he knows just what to do. He decides to buy the bed that is rectangular and blue. On the way out the door, something catches Jasper's eye. It's a basket full of balls in every color and every size. Can you sort the balls? Would you know what to do? When Jasper sorted beds, did he give you a clue? All right, and this is the end of our circle time. Na 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 na, na 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 na. Hey hey hey, goodbye.
Mhm.